The earth was corrupt before God and filled with violence. Every thought of man's heart was only evil continually. But one man found grace in the eyes of the Lord. His name was Noah. God said to Noah, "The end of all flesh is come before me. Make for yourself an ark of gopher wood. For behold, I will bring a flood of waters upon the earth to destroy all flesh. But with you, Noah, I will establish my covenant. You shall come into the ark, you, your sons, your wife, and your sons' wives with you." Thus Noah did. According to all that God commanded him, so he did. God said, "Bring 2 of every living thing into the ark, male and female, to keep them alive." Then the Lord said to Noah, "Go into the ark, for after 7 more days I will cause it to rain on the earth 40 days and 40 nights. And Noah was 600 years old when the flood of waters was upon the earth, and the rain was upon the earth 40 days and 40 nights. The waters prevailed on the earth 150 days, but God remembered Noah, and caused a wind to pass over the earth, and the waters subsided. Noah opened the window and sent out a dove. And behold, the dove came back in the evening with a freshly plucked olive leaf. God said to Noah, "Come out of the ark, you and your families, bring out every living thing with you." Then Noah built an altar to the Lord, and the Lord said in his heart, "I will never again curse the ground because of man." And God said, "I establish my covenant with you. Never again shall there be a flood to destroy the earth. I set my rainbow in the cloud, and it shall be a sign of the covenant between me and the earth."